This video is about VAT, in which I will walk you through ins and out of VAT for content creators, ensuring you're not just top of your content creation game but also your financial game. Let's start with the basic. When it comes to the VAT, the very first question that people often ask is, what is VAT? When should I register for VAT? Is it good to register voluntarily? And what is VAT threshold? And finally, which VAT scheme is best for content creators? Being a content creator, to be honest, I also need answer to all of these questions. By the end of the video, you will have answer to all of these questions. So stay tuned. The answer to first question is VAT is an indirect taxation which UK government collects us from goods and services we purchase. The VAT is an indirect taxation which UK government collects from us on goods and services we purchase. Secondly, when it comes to VAT registration, it's highly recommended to register for a VAT. However, with VAT registration, it comes high administration costs, like to maintain your records, pay to your accountant or bookkeeper for your VAT and bookkeeping services. Now, as per today's date, 4th of August 2024, VAT threshold is 90,000. So it means if your turnover is less than 90,000 per year, then you don't have to register for VAT. However, voluntary registration gives you a huge benefit of reclaiming your input VAT on all of your valid purchases. Online content creation industry is a booming industry, providing content creators and entrepreneurs new ways of living their lives. However, lack of tailored VAT advice for influencers and online content creators means many are unsure how much VAT they owe on their income stream, leading to potential issues with legal compliance and an exposure to assessment, interest and penalties. Few more basics of VAT, like input VAT you will claim on all of your valid purchases, and output VAT you will charge on your goods and services you sell to other people. The VAT scheme includes standard rate, flat rate, margin rate, retail VAT schemes and terms VAT scheme. There is also annual accounting scheme and cash accounting scheme. Don't worry, there's no hard and fast rule to understand all of these VAT schemes. However, in this video, I will walk you through a couple of VAT schemes which are best for content creators. Now, coming back to the original question, which VAT scheme is best for content creators? Answer to this question is, to be honest with you, there is no right and wrong answer to this question because it totally depends on your individual circumstances and how your content creation platform is doing. Last week, one YouTuber came to us and asked for an advice, which VAT scheme should I opt for? I asked him a couple of questions including his current turnover, how much turnover he is expecting in next 12 months. When I got the turnover figure, then finally I asked him major purchases. So he said his major purchases were his YouTube gear, and also he paid couple of subscriptions for editing softwares. Based on the information I advised him, since your turnover is in between 80 to 90,000 per annum and next 12 months you are expecting only 1 to 2 good sponsorship contracts and remaining turnover will be your videos monetization. So for you, flat rate scheme will be a good option because under flat rate scheme you will have a reduced VAT rate. Like standard VAT rate is 20%. However, under flat rate scheme you will get between 10 to 16%. Like if you register under entertainment, then your VAT rate under flat rate scheme will be 12.5%, and if you register under filming it will be 11%, and if you register under photography then it will be 10%. However, there is a turnover threshold or restriction. Let's say if your turnover crosses 150,000, then you have to opt out from VAT flat rate scheme, but till then you can enjoy the benefit of flat rate scheme. Now, let's say you hit 150,000 threshold. It's time to figure it out which VAT scheme should you register. Now, if you move back to standard VAT scheme under accrual basis, it will charge you 20% on all of your sales, which is obviously much higher than your current rate, and it may cause a cash flow problem for you. And here where the cash accounting scheme comes in, which means you should only charge VAT to your customers and pay VAT to your suppliers based on cash you have received from your customers, and pay cash to your suppliers regardless of when you issue an invoice to your customers and receive a bill from your suppliers. However, like the flat rate scheme, cash accounting scheme also has restrictions, like you can only join cash accounting scheme when your turnover is less than 1.35 million per annum, and you must leave scheme when turnover crosses the threshold of 1.6 billion. But till then you can get the benefit of cash accounting scheme, and obviously till then your business will be in a position to manage your cash flows. A quick recap here. In this video, we start with basics like input VAT, output VAT, standard versus accrual basis, and then discuss which VAT scheme is best for content creators according to their individual circumstances, including flat rate VAT scheme and cash accounting VAT scheme. I would love to have your thoughts on which accounting scheme are you using right now below in the comment section, or if you are unsure about which accounting scheme you might have to use, you can put your thoughts below in the comment section and share your current circumstances with me, and then I will get back to you on that. I would also love to have your questions if you might have anything, including VAT, your personal taxes, your corporation taxes, and I would love to give you a constructive answer based on your individual circumstances. As always, hand ahead salute until the next video.